Vive la France. In this piece here, we are playing in G major scale. What that means, and one new thing you will start noticing, is we have the F sharp notated in the beginning. This is called the key signature. Instead of the composer marking in F sharp, F sharp, F sharp all throughout the music, the composer will just need to write the F sharp in the beginning of every bar, and you will know and remember all the F's are automatically played F sharp. So let's hear how this one goes. I'm starting with my 5 on this G, my left hand 5 onto the middle G, and I'm going to prepare my 4 here on the F sharp. Let's take a listen. Stretch my 5 to F sharp left hand, cross the 3 over, move your 5 back to G, F sharp, cross the 3 over, I know it looks like a lot was happening earlier, so let's take it slowly with our 5 up on this treble G, my 4, remember, on the F sharp. Let's go slow. Sharp, sharp again. Cross my 3 over to B. A little bit louder, more loud. Little louder, even louder. Move our 5 back to G. And sharp. Let's go down that scale. Cross our 3 over. Jump, jump, hold. Now, looking at the left hand, 5 on G, thumb on D. Hold this down. Middle C, middle B. Stretch my 5 to F sharp and D. That's a 6. Back to G and D. Middle C. Next page. Also getting louder. Go back to soft and medium, loud. Hold the G chord down.